Imagine waking up to the sound of rushing water. Your pipe has burst, and water is flooding your home. Panic is natural, but the first step is to shut off your main water valve immediately. If you can't find it or it's stuck, call a Sacramento emergency plumber right away. Stopping the water flow is crucial to prevent thousands in damage. Once the water is off, don't attempt a quick DIY fix. Burst pipes need professional repair. A licensed plumber will assess the damage and provide a permanent solution. Don't wait. Call our emergency plumbing service in Sacramento, California at 916-555-0123 or reach us directly at +1 888-862-0246 for immediate help. Fast action can save your home from disaster. Remember, for 24/7 emergency plumbing help, call us now at +1 888-862-0246. The visible water is just the beginning. What you see on the surface is only a small part of the problem. Water has a way of finding every crack, gap, and porous surface in your home, spreading far beyond the initial spill. Moisture seeps into drywall, under floors, and behind walls, often traveling along pipes and electrical conduits. Even a small leak can quickly become a widespread issue, affecting areas you might not even think to check. Water quickly damages wood, insulation, and even electrical systems, creating hazards and costly repairs. The longer it sits, the more it weakens structural materials, and the more expensive the restoration becomes. Within hours, carpets, furniture, and personal items can be ruined. Sentimental belongings and valuable electronics are especially vulnerable to water damage. Mold can start growing in as little as 24 hours, making fast action critical. Mold not only damages your home but can also pose serious health risks to your family. Hidden damage can go unnoticed for weeks, leading to bigger problems down the line. By the time you see visible signs, the underlying damage may already be extensive. A professional emergency plumber knows where to look for hidden moisture and how to start the drying process. They use specialized tools to detect and address water you can't see. Their quick response can mean the difference between a simple fix and a major restoration. Acting fast helps limit the spread and reduces the risk of long-term issues. Don't underestimate how fast water spreads. Call for help immediately. Every minute counts when it comes to protecting your home and belongings. Protect your home by acting fast and getting expert help on site. The right team can stop the damage in its tracks and start the recovery process right away. The sooner you respond, the better your outcome. Don't wait. Take action at the first sign of water to keep your home and family safe. DIY patches and waiting until morning rarely work for burst pipes. Temporary fixes often fail, causing even more flooding and damage. Every hour you wait, water spreads and increases the risk of mold and structural issues. Mold can start in just a day, turning a plumbing problem into a health hazard. Insurance may not cover damage if you delay repairs. The cost of waiting is always higher than calling a pro right away. Don't gamble with your home. Get professional help immediately. Avoid stress and bigger bills by calling our emergency service at +1 888-862-0246. Fast, expert repairs protect your home and your peace of mind. In an emergency, you need a licensed, insured, and local plumber who truly understands Sacramento homes and the unique challenges they present. When a pipe bursts or a drain backs up, every second counts, and having a trusted professional nearby can make all the difference. And when you need help fast, call us at +1 888-862-0246. Local plumbers know the area's specific plumbing systems, building codes, and common issues. They can get to you fast, minimizing damage and stress because they're already familiar with Sacramento's neighborhoods and traffic patterns. For immediate assistance, remember our number, +1 888-862-0246. Licensing and insurance protect you from liability and guarantee that the work meets professional standards. You can rest easy knowing your home is in safe, qualified hands. A reputable Sacramento plumber arrives fully prepared, bringing the right tools and parts to fix most problems on the spot, saving you time and hassle. They know the fastest routes, the best suppliers, and the specific challenges of our neighborhoods, so you get efficient, knowledgeable service every time. Professionalism matters. Expect clear communication, respect for your home, and efficient, courteous service from start to finish. Don't risk hiring an unlicensed or out-of-town plumber who may not know local codes or offer reliable support. Always call a trusted local expert at +1 888 88 HNX2 Budo 246. Trust a local expert who is dedicated to serving the Sacramento community and building lasting relationships with neighbors. Your safety, comfort, and peace of mind depend on choosing the right professional for your home and family. Rely on our licensed team for fast, reliable help whenever you need it most, day or night. Call us now at +1 888 862 0246. When disaster strikes, call us. Our line is answered 24/7 by real people, not machines. No matter the hour, you'll always reach a compassionate, knowledgeable team member ready to help, not an automated system. We know plumbing emergencies can be stressful, so we make sure you're never left waiting or wondering what to do next. We'll dispatch a qualified plumber to your Sacramento home immediately, ensuring help is on the way as soon as you call. Our team is always on standby, so you're never alone during a crisis. Our experts arrive quickly, assess the situation, and stop the water flow if you haven't already. We act fast to minimize damage and provide reassurance from the moment we step through your door. Using advanced tools, they diagnose the problem and explain the solution clearly. We believe in transparency, so you'll always understand what's happening and what comes next. Repairs are done efficiently, with respect for your home and minimal disruption. We take care to protect your property, clean up thoroughly, and restore your peace of mind. We've saved countless homeowners from major damage with our rapid response. Our commitment is to keep your family safe and your home protected, no matter the emergency. Whether it's a burst pipe, sewer backup, or another urgent issue, we're equipped to handle it all. Our experience means we're prepared for any situation, big or small. Real stories. We've prevented kitchen floods, saved historic floors, and protected cherished homes with our fast action. Our customers trust us to be there when it matters most. When you need help, call 916-555-0123 for immediate expert service. Don't wait. Every minute counts in an emergency. Your emergency is our priority. We're here for you, day or night, to restore comfort and safety to your home. Emergency plumbing costs more upfront, but waiting leads to far greater expenses. Quick repairs prevent massive water damage, mold, and costly renovations. Homeowners who act fast save thousands and avoid weeks of disruption. The peace of mind from a professional fix is worth the investment. We've seen small leaks turn into disasters when ignored. Even a few hours can make a difference. Don't let costs deter you from protecting your home and health. Time is critical. Call 888-862-0246 for immediate help. Fast action now means big savings later.